I'm Drew. The project I'm going to show you today is called Ecclesiastes. It's for my buddy Logan's project that's coming out probably in a month or two. He considers himself a rap artist, but it's going to be a rock kind of theme. It's more of an alternative rock, and then it goes into a little punk section at the end, and it's basically just to sort of show all of his talents and that he can do all sorts of stuff. For the production, it's different because most people come in here and they probably use the Gold Room and just like, they got just a beat that they already have tracked out or something, and they just go into the Gold Room and record vocals over it. But for us, we have to actually use the Gray Room and record a drum set and guitar in there. So the big thing I've learned here is EQ starts at the source. That's going to be something that just reverberates around this whole campus, is that EQ starts at the source, and that's totally true. And I didn't really recognize it until I really started recording stuff in the Gray Room. And it really starts at how you place your mics, what you're using, and So here's Ecclesiastes. It's a song we recorded for Logan's mixtape coming out relatively soon. There's no vocals on it. It's just the instrumental, and it's just like a rough mix down. But yeah, enjoy.